What's going on, guys? Jerry with 3DHP. Check it out. Let's make it right after this. Okay, for this project, guys, I went over to freelaserfiles.com. And let's see, agree to terms and enter the site. And I'm going to disregard the AdWords. Please feel free to read everything here. And be advised, they do have an awesome Patreon. I haven't joined it yet. I know if I have a friend that has. They have a lot of really cool stuff here. Right now, I'm just going to look at their free files. It talks about different materials here you might need. And here are some of the free files here. You go down through here. Kind of take a quick peek. I'll show you what I'm working on today. Lots of cool stuff. Let's see, what is it I'm working on? Where's it at? Okay, this jellyfish lamp. Let's click on that. Here's a file to download. They also have a video here which goes through and explains. Let's get that commercial out of the way there and kind of give you an idea what's going on here. They go through and they explain how to put everything together in detail. Commercials everywhere. And there he is working with his laser, cutting everything out. I'm using all 12x12 material on my LaserMatic Mark II. Works perfectly fine. There is a part right at the very beginning. This part right here I don't need. Because I'm using super glue, I do not need this big long kickstand. I super glued everything up, hit it with some activator, moved on to the next parts. Well, let's jump over to the LaserMatic and we're going to get that going right now. Okay, here's all the parts cut out on my LaserMatic Mark II. And they have videos for everything on how you put everything together. Rather than use wood glue and it take a long time for it to dry, I'll be using Starbond super glue. And I'll use activator, and that way it'll instantly dry and I'll be good to go to keep building. And then I have a light kit here off Amazon for it. That'll hook up with an app to my phone. I got this bulb here from Home Depot. They're like 10 bucks. Great deal on it. You hook up an app on your phone with all kinds of amazing colors. So, let's get going. Let's get going. I should probably really join their Patreon because there's a lot of stuff you can't see on freelaserfiles.com. They have a bunch of stuff for free, but they got a lot more that's on their pay site, their Patreon. I haven't looked there yet, but so far so good. This will be the second one I'm doing. Okay, guys, here's my light. I got it all done. I've got it painted blue and white just like the other one. And I've got the Hub's Face app installed, the Home Depot bulb for 10 bucks. And yeah, it's working. It's set on rainbow right now, so it'll change colors. And it's sitting right on top of my LaserMatic Mark II. And that's what created it. freelaserfiles.com. They do have a Patreon. I haven't joined it yet. I need to see how much it costs. They got a lot of cool stuff there for free also. Hey, I can't even imagine what they'd have on their Patreon. It'll be amazing. Like I say, they show videos, step by step, how to do everything. Now, one thing about this, there is one part in the beginning, if you watch the video, skip through the video before you automatically start cutting everything. And you might realize that there's a big kickstand that you set these parts on once you wood glue them. I didn't print that part this time. I did the first time. I didn't need it. This time I didn't print it. And I super glued everything together. So just put everything on the table, super glued it, hit it with activator, went on the next part. Didn't have to let it dry for many hours or nothing. I was not using wood glue. But it looks amazing. Very cool. Just, like I say, I went over with white spray paint on the whole thing. And then hit it with some blue. Done the top in blue, the bottom in white. All the stones there look beautiful. Here, let me turn the light on so you get a better look at it. Walking backwards here. There we go. Yeah, got more of those stones for my wife. Really looks pretty. Now you can resin pour that down there. You can have it solid with no lip. You can pretty much do whatever you want. Those are just laying there loose. Cords hooked on the side. And it's set up so Alexa can control it. I have to figure that part out, but it is tied into it. So please like, subscribe, share, check out freelaserfiles.com. Thank you all to my channel members, subscribers, supporters. Everybody that helps me out. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please leave me a thumbs up, help the channel grow. If you got any comments, please leave them down below. And until next time, like I say, LaserMatic Mark II. Rolly makes the best styled lasers on the planet currently. Love them. I wish this was wider. It's pretty small for what I want to do. So whenever I can't cut things on this, I have to jump over here on my CO2 RF laser from Hao-Tian when I want to do larger stuff. But anyway, talk to you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye.